Hi Julia, hi Sheepy. Today we're going to be looking at how to make some creative craft hearts. You will need some paper or card, a pen or a pencil, some scissors, some glue and some tissue paper. Take your piece of paper or your card and fold it in half. Then take your pen or your pencil and draw half a heart shape onto it. Take your scissors and cut the shape out.
And be careful because they are sharp. Now you have a heart shape.
Cover your shape in glue.
Spread it out.
Now take two pieces of paper and scrunch them up so that they look like eyes. We used a darker colour here. And then you want to take another piece of paper and roll it into a line to look like a smiley face. Now take lots of different coloured pieces of paper and crunch them up and put them all over your heart face. You might want to use lots of different colours, or you might just want to use one or two.
Keep going until you cover your entire heart. Ta-da!
Let me know how you get on. Bye for now.